What you are looking at right now is going to be my new hut. Hey, what is up, my favorite people in the world? You know who this guy is? Hi, Dad. Vlogging. Hello, everybody. The Green Hatter here at your service. What you're looking at here is the beginning of a hut that I'm building right now. Oh yeah. This is my good old beam. I'm gonna have a support here and some walls coming in from the side. I'm gonna clean up the floor, make it nice and sleepable. The challenge is to use everything that I can find in the woods. That said, I've got my beam here. It's kind of rotten, so I'm gonna need a support, which I've cut out. And here you could see how I'm fastening it in. This actually took me a while to do. I had to take this branch and slowly bend it without it snapping. And the one that I tried before actually broke on me, so I had to throw it away. And it was kind of cool, and it's working pretty nice. I did a lot of prep work, and you can see I got some walls set up. I got a lot of these to work with too. As I need them, I'm gonna come here and start gathering resources. Yeah, so that's about it. Let's see if that works. I'm so excited to get started. All right, hope you enjoy. The idea behind this next piece is this is my column, you want to call it. I accidentally turned off the GoPro and didn't turn it back on. So I don't know how much is missed. I've tied this one. I'm starting to get a good feel on how to do this. This one is fine because there's a knot holding it. This one needed a good old tie. And when I tie them, I mean like they're pretty rigid. They're not going anywhere. That one has a knot, which is nice. This one had to tie. Hey, you see that dead tree? I'm gonna cut it down. I'm worried that it's gonna fall on my little hut there eventually. I wasn't scared. Okay, I feel safe here. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Booyah, look at this. I think I found my wall, my siding. Okay, yeah, I didn't have to go far. Look at, there's a lot of those. Yeah, that's right, I can use that for siding. Well, there you go. That could actually even act as a nice bed. Whew. That could even act as a nice bed. Damn, I'm smart. What the? Get out of my way. Okay. Okay.